Cool. Welcome to the Great Expectations October Community Meetup. We have a lot going on today. It's very exciting. First of all, I'll be going over community stats. Well, I'll be going over community celebrations along with Tal, who will then also be doing the product roadmap updates. And then we have two guest speakers. We have Lavanya with us today, who will be talking about giving a presentation on Great Expectations Unleashed in SaaS Studio, turbocharge your data analytics. And we'll hear from Miriam about generating synthetic data that meets expectations. And then with what time we have, we can leave some room for some questions. So without further ado, as always, we really want to give thanks and kudos to the community members who are in the discourse and in the Slack and are helping to answer questions of other users who are using Great Expectations and working together to solve problems. So this is a shout out to the people who are doing that. So thank you, all of you, Lori, Alexi, Alvaro, Ishwar, Mikash, Rick, Jerry, and Lucas. Thank you so much. And Tal, do you want to talk about some contribution highlights?
Yeah, absolutely. So wanted to highlight two contributions that came in. So thanks so much to Muad, who made a change to basically enable you to separate unexpected index lists from other unexpected values. So this is a pretty common request. You want to know which rows have failed from your expectation suite, from your expectation, but you don't want PII. You don't want to see, I don't know, the social security numbers or names of people in those failed rows. And so Muad added a parameter to enable you to separate those things to result format, which is fantastic. And thank you also to Calvin Gidu, who added a new expectation: expect multi-column values product equal to single column. So it basically looks at the product of several columns being multiplied, and it compares it to another column to ensure that they're equal. And it's awesome. They added this support for Pandas, Spark, and SQL Alchemy, which is really fantastic. It's really great when we see a user who adds for all of those. And yeah, I think that's it. Guess I'll jump right along to the product roadmap update. So on the open source side, we've been doing just a whole bunch of cleanup of the open source code base. We've had some deprecated code for a while that we've been deleting, which is really nice to see, and deprecating some stuff that should have been deprecated. And then one other change that's noteworthy: for file back projects, we've renamed the default directory from Great Expectations to GX. There would be occasional collisions between Great Expectations, the package, and Great Expectations, the directory. And so this avoids that moving forward. I don't think any changes are necessary. If you're running, you can keep running, but if you initialize a new project, then you'll see that. On the cloud side, we've released the data asset overview page with column descriptive metrics, which is really exciting, and also released the missingness assistant, getting that to work not just in open source, but also in cloud. And coming up soon, we're bringing splitting and batching to cloud, expectation history, and also the ability to create expectation suites from the cloud UI. So that's it.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Tal. And now I will be handing this off to Lavanya. Lavanya, would you, you'll be sharing your screen, right? I will.
Yes, if you can.
I'll stop sharing.
Yeah, and let me see if I can share my screen. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Awesome. All right.